let's look at this question number 13 for JAMB Past Questions Physics 2018. The electrochemical equivalent of silver is 0.0012 gram per coulomb. If 36.0 gram of silver is to be deposited by electrolysis on a surface by passing a steady current for 5 minutes, the current must be A. 600 amperes, B. 100 amperes, C. 10 amperes, D. 1 amperes. Please, this should be in capital letter amp. The A's are in capital letter for amperes. Now let us solve this. First of all, for us to be able to solve this, we need to recognize the fact that the electrochemical equivalent of a substance is the amount of the substance mostly in mass deposited by 1 coulomb of electricity in an electrolytic process. So that very amount is actually represented with the letter Z. Now, the relationship between mass deposited and the quantity of electricity is Q times Z, which is the electrochemical equivalent. And we know that Q is equal to current times time, IT. So we can now say that mass deposited is equal to current times time times Z. So with this, we can make current the subject of the formula. I, making it the subject, will have M all over TZ. So that is what we are going to be doing to calculate the current. So the current is equal to mass. Mass, as we have here, is 36 gram, 36 all over T. T is the time. We have T here as 5 minutes. We need to convert it to seconds, so it's going to be 5 times 60. So times Z, which is the electrochemical equivalent, which is 0.0012, 0.0012. So if we solve down, if we press our calculator to solve down, we are going to find out that we have 100 amperes. So, and that is the final answer, B. And this is the B, 100 amperes. This is A. This is 6,000 amperes. This is 10 amperes. The A is in capital letter. So the right option is 100 amperes, because when you cancel out, 6 here is going to give us 6. Here is going to give us 10. So if you cancel out, you're going to have 100 amperes, and that is the answer to this problem. Thank you.